just doing a little bit of stealth camping. I'm not too far away from a trail, so trying to be quiet. As you can see. I'm just using a tarp. Just a cheap tarp, poly tarp or whatever, from Canadian Tire. That's it. Or you can pick them up at Walmart too, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna show you here real quick. Yeah. And it is cold out. Holy crap, it's ever cold. So I'm pretty well stuck right in here in the bush to keep off the trail. But yeah, the only challenge is when you're stealth camping, and I'm having no fire. There's no fire because you're stealth camping. So yeah, so no fire is keeping your water. When it warms up, the water stays fine, but when it drops below zero, the water freezes up. So yeah, so one thing I said I'd never do is sleep with my water bottle. I sleep with it now so it doesn't freeze, so I can have something to drink in the morning. So yeah, just a short video. I am actually testing out some gear, which I'm impressed with so far, because I'm ground sleeping. And I'm sleeping with no air mattress, because I don't have one no more. I got rid of it because I went to the hammock, so I'm not doing the hammock now. I went to the ground because I'm stealth camping. I thought the ground would be good. So I'm using the Savato mat from the Finnish army, I think it is. Savata. Yeah, from the Finnish army. I'm using that with a little bit of cedar underneath, because that's all in the area. So found some dead trees, put some cedar under there. Not very much thickness though. It might be only that thick under there. I'm impressed with that so far, and it's got down to -10, -13, I think. So far, so good. Yeah, I got a little bit of wildlife. Rabbits, squirrels. Not sure what else, but... So I don't do too much movement in the daytime. Most of my movement's at night, when I think nobody's on the trail over there. So when I pop out, I have to pop out on a different location to get onto the trail. So I gotta make more work for myself to get in and out of here. And then I just blend in. So when I'm on the trail, I just blend in. If I'm out walking or hiking the trail, hey, how's it going? Pretty good. So you just blend in, when you're stealth camping. You know, I leave all my gear here and I just walk out, blend in, walk the trail, walk around the big trail, walk around. Yeah, it's fun. So that's it for now. We'll check back in again later.